Hi everybody, my name is Sourav Choudhury and I'm a FMCG marketing professional for past 34 years now, having worked with Nestle for 26 years and with McCormick, the world's largest spice company originating out of Washington for 6 years. And currently I am an FMCG marketing consultant with startups in India and we have launched together almost 12 products across the country. Apart from my marketing profession, what I also do is I teach, I coach, and I mentor students of the MBA schools and many professionals in the corporate world. And to do this, of course, I need to keep myself upskilled, updated, and keep learning to be more contemporary. And while doing that, I had done this recent course with Kallada Academy, the Advanced Digital Marketing course, a very unique course in the digital marketing training across the country, which I could see. And the best part of this course is the one-on-one hand-holding from the beginning to the end, as well as the interactive training sessions that we have with our expert trainer. And the backend support by the coordinator Priyanka and the one-on-one expert advice by the owner of Kallada Academy, Mr. Santhe Kallada, was something very unique. And the cherry on the cake, of course, is the university certificate, which very few training organizations provide. We had been promised, and we shall be getting a university certificate from JUX, and that's the cherry on the cake. So, having done this today, I'm very confident that I have become almost an expert in digital marketing and I can run my own programs together on social media, on websites, the SEO of the websites, the SEM with the Google and the social media advertisements, and many more things. And I'm planning to actually open a digital marketing school myself along with my digital marketing consulting. So wish Kallada Academy all the best, and all the best to the trainers, to the trainer Chirag, and the coordinator and the best coordinator Priyanka, who had taken a lot of pain coordinating everything and resolving all our problems from the back end. And of course, all the best to Shantesh Kallada for the future training programs that he would be conducting. And digital marketing training is one of the most important training that everybody needs to undergo in today's generation, and digital marketing is going to play a very important role there. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best.